What's up, guys? Welcome back to Motivation 3. And you ever just have one of those days where you just want to drive your car? I'm going to work and I have the option to take the motorcycle or the car, but today I just feel like it's a car day. I really do. And why not? I mean, when you got a car like the Camaro SS, why wouldn't you want to drive it? I mean, it's fun. Anyway, guys, vlog up next. What's up, guys? It's another hot one out here, and I think this might have been a mistake, but anyway, we're gonna stick with it. On my way to work today, really don't have a topic, kind of just winging this one, but maybe you guys will watch and maybe you'll like the content, but whatever. If you don't, you don't. It kind of is what it is today. But this weekend I had plans to actually do something with the track, go down to the track. They're having a big event down there, but unfortunately work says and I'm gonna have to work this Saturday, so maybe we'll do a Cheehaw vlog. I've never been to Cheehaw before in my life. They say it's a real good ride on the motorcycle. We'll see. I got a couple buddies that are wanting to go, and that's probably what the move is this weekend. Things could change. May end up at Little River Canyon. Who knows? But we'll be doing something this weekend, I'll tell you that. You know, Sunday at least. But today we're just talking to you. There is one thing I could probably talk about, and some of you guys, I don't know who all is watching this, but some of you probably are creators and most of you probably aren't. But when you start your brand new channel out, one thing I recommend is do not watch your sub count, especially starting from scratch. It can get really frustrating. It can get discouraging. It can make you want to just stop doing it, but don't do it. Don't watch it. All the other YouTube analytics, yeah, they're fine to watch because you see the growth of your channel, and it's basically in real time, and it lets you know what you're doing right and what you're doing wrong. I don't want to say wrong, but what your audience likes better as far as your content, and helps you out putting that same kind of content out to get more views, you know, essentially. But as far as the sub count, and this is what I had a problem with, and it's what kind of really bugged the bejesus out of me, was when I first started the channel, I already had probably 10 subs to my account without even having a video on. And when I posted my first video, I bumped up to like maybe 20 in the first 2 hours or something like that. And I was like, wow, this is gonna be awesome. I'm gonna have 1,000 subs by the end of the year at least, you know. I mean, maybe even faster than that, but it's not gonna grow that fast. Basically no one's channel, is this where I need to go? Yeah, this is where I need to go. But basically no one's channel really grows that fast coming from scratch unless you're just really known. And that's not really what I'm getting at about the sub count. Now that I'm sitting and I'm hovering, you know, about 100 subs right now. It's been about a month. Right before that, I was about anywhere from 82, you know, somewhere around there. But I started noticing something very odd, and it was every day. My sub count would like jump up by like 15, even to 20 more subs. I'm like, whoa, what's going on? And then maybe by, you know, early morning, it would go back down. You know, if it jumped up 20, it would go down 18, you know, sometimes the whole 20. And I was like, what is going on? Is my content that bad? I mean, are people just not wanting to watch? They clicked on it not knowing what it was, and they're like, oh, I'm not watching this guy. He's retarded. You know, I don't mean to say retarded. I mean that loudly, guys. I'm being offended. But I kept watching it, and I noticed something odd that, and I'm not saying anything about, you know, I'm not making fun of any names or anything like that, but some of these names were like not American, you know, names or English names. There were a lot of them from different countries, and but I would go on to their page or their channel, and some of them would have who they subscribe to. You know, they didn't have their privacy set, and I noticed there was this one in particular person. Excuse me. Excuse me. I need to cut that out, but I won't. This is raw, guys. This is raw. But anyway, there was this one channel, and I want to plug her name right here. It's Lisa's World, and I don't know who this woman is. I've never watched her channel, but every single one of these ones that didn't have their privacy set had this same channel on there, and a few others, maybe 3 or 4, maybe 5, something like that. And I was like, wait a minute, there's something going on with this. But then I started noticing, like, the names started being really similar, but not the same, maybe a little bit different spelling. I had Yahoo 10 also and Yahoo 7 subscribed to me, and I don't know about that, but you know, it is what it is, guys. But long story short, what I'm getting at is, it will drive you nuts watching it fluctuate like that. So don't pay it much mind. Pay attention to your watch hours, and try to get your engagement up. That's what I'm trying to do now. If you're a creator and you've went through the same thing, drop me a comment down below. Let me know your feelings on it and how you was when you first started your channel, and you started seeing that kind of thing. Did you notice something odd like I did? But I tell you, there's a trick you can do also, and I did it, but I couldn't keep it that way. It drove me nuts not seeing a subscriber count, but you can turn off your subscriber count for it's not visible, and just let it grow, and then, you know, a month from now, turn it back on and see where you're at, and turn it back off. And I may end up still doing that, but I don't know, man. I'm broken. I gotta keep watching it. You know, I'm trying to give you advice on what not to do, but I can't do it myself. But that's just a tip from me. And granted, I don't know that much about creating content on YouTube. I'm baby fresh on this. First time I ever tried to edit a video was the very first video that I put on here, and it's horrible, but it's cringy. But I'm gonna keep it on there. You know, it's gonna show me, you know, what my videos were to what they're gonna be. I say, and who knows, it may not get any better. I may just not have the creative gene to edit. I may have to hire somebody when my channel blows up to 10 million subscribers. But anyway, guys, that's about all I got, really. Like I said, this weekend we're doing the Cheehaw thing, more than likely. If not, we'll be doing something Sunday. So we'll post, I don't know, sometime Sunday evening, maybe early Monday morning. Just depends, really, you know, when do we get back and how much I got. But anyway, guys, I hope y'all have a great day. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead, man, subscribe to the channel. If you're watching, you might as well, right? Anyway, and hit that bell notification, you know, and give us comments, and like some of the content that you do like. If you don't like it, don't like it. Put a dislike. Like I said, that's just feedback from me, you know, that lets me know, you know, how I'm doing. anyway, I think I'm doing great. But you know, anyway, all right, guys. Enough of your time. Peace.
Whoa, 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 yeah, we are in the place to be, yeah, yeah.